Hi, I'm Davide Ruspaggiari and I would like to introduce the new RAV3DTOWER alignment system. This three-dimensional aligner is going to complete RAV range that already includes CCD models and 3D aligner with cameras on the lift. The tower is positioned to a distance included between 2 and 2.6 meters from the center of the turntable and allowed to work on cars and vans up to 5.45 meters wheelbase. The alignment comes fully calibrated and recalibration is required only if camera is replaced. To use the RAV3DTOWER, first we'll install the wheel clamps. The aligner is equipped with 4-point clamps and the scope of delivery includes also plastic tips and tire grabber. We'll make sure that the tips, all 4 tips, grab the wheel and we'll make sure that the adjustment knob is at 12 o'clock. Next, we are going to select the vehicle. After selecting the vehicle, the manufacturer's data will be displayed. Then, we'll select the green arrow to move forward. This screen shows the cameras acquiring the targets. Tab key allows to pass from manual to automatic acquisition mode. Click yellow or blue key to start the automatic tracking system that will follow the cameras to the target 8 during all working steps. We know the targets are acquired by our 4 green dots. Once we know the targets have been acquired, we green arrow forward. Now we'll perform rolling run-out compensation. We'll start by rolling backwards. Then we roll the vehicle forward. Then we click the green arrow forward to go to the next step. Once rolling compensation is done, we'll perform the 10-degree caster sweep. Do this by following the on-screen instruction, turning and holding the steering wheel where prompted. To make the job even easier, also the LED system on the cameras guides the operator during the procedure. So, after the caster sweep, the diagnosis is displayed, showing green as correct angle and red where we need to make an adjustment. Then we click the green arrow forward to go to the next step. Here we'll center the steering wheel. So to center the steering wheel, we want to kind of work it into its centered position and then we want to lock the steering wheel in position. Lifting the car to the adjusting position, the cameras will automatically follow the targets and reach the correct 8. So, now that we have centered and locked the steering wheel, we are going to green arrow forward to get to the rear axle adjustment screen. Clicking the yellow button is possible to check the chassis diagnostic, a very useful function for body repair workshop. Once we have made any required adjustment to the rear axle, we'll green arrow forward. We'll make any required adjustment on the front axle. Then we'll be able to green arrow forward to our diagnosis and our final adjustment numbers. And then we can provide the results to the customer. And that's how easy it is to use the RAV3DTOWER alignment system.